So I've been working on cleaning out one cupboard at a time because I'm a do it one step at a time kind of girl. And this cupboard desperately needs some attention. Look at all that stuff. If you're new here, my name's Shari. We live full-time in an RV, stationary, and there's not a ton of storage. This RV actually has a lot more storage than our last one, but like there's not a ton. So we keep coffee mugs and stuff down here. And then this is supposed to be like kids' cups. And then this has just become a jumble of way too much junk. This is how long it's been. My daughter does not use these anymore, but they're taking up space in my life. There's got to be a better spot in this RV to keep all this dog stuff. Like a bird seed bell. Like, why? Why? We might have a slight coffee addiction in this house. How does so much coffee crumbs get down there? I mean, I know we're making coffee up there, but like, for real. All right, now I've gone through what I'm gonna keep and we're just gonna organize it and put it in here. Should have done lids first. Now I just have to go through this stuff and decide what I'm gonna keep in here, what I'm gonna put somewhere else, or what I'm not gonna keep at all.
How come we have so many balls that, like, for the dogs, but we don't give them to the dogs?
Because these are backup balls.
Oh, for when Bella loses her ball?
Yeah. I wasn't giving you a treat. Do you need one? Do you need one? I was putting them away. You want that? I am so happy with this. I've been struggling with this cabinet for a while now after I washed dishes, trying to put stuff back in here. And it's just been one of those, like, throw it and close the door and pray nothing falls out. And now I have, like, this big open space to, like, nicely put my coffee back in here. I don't need the animal meds down here. I don't need their leashes and collars and stuff down here. We live on a farm. We don't really, like, they're just outside playing all day. So those things don't need to be there. They can be in a storage that's like a little harder to get to, not an easy access one. Thank you guys for joining me, and we'll be on to another cupboard soon.